Hey there, East here, Black Defenders. Today's job, Katie's L405 Range Rover. So when we got this vehicle, there were flat spots on the front tires. I thought it was just the tires. I got new tires. Turns out the flat spots on the tires were either caused by warped brake discs, or the brake discs got warped because of the flat spots on the tires. Anyway, new tires went on, replaced the brakes, tires got the flat spots again because of course the warped discs were making the flat spot on the tires, and so the cycle is continued. Anyway, here we are now. I just got new tires on, and I can feel in the steering wheel when you turn, I can feel the slight shudder of the brake discs being warped. So I went and I got new brake discs. The pads are fine. You can see right there, there's still plenty of life in those. So I'm going to pull these brake discs off and get rid of those, leave the pads on. Will it squeak? Probably. Will it get better? Probably. So anyway, that's today's job. Super quick and easy. I'll get this done on both sides. So to get the pads and the brake caliper off, it is a 13mm socket. This impact that I have is completely overkill to get those off, but here we are, right? This is about where everything is. All right, got those bolts out. Let's get this guy out of here. There we go. Okay, whew. That thing is not light. Can I put that there without it falling? Sure. Sketchy as all hell, but you know what? It works. All right, next thing to come off is this caliper bracket. Let me get these pads out before I do that, and you can see there's still tons of life in those, so no point in replacing those. Okay, let's get this guy out. That I believe is a 21 socket. Let me bring you guys around this side so you have a better view. Let's see, let me make sure you're actually looking at something and not nothing. Maybe. Here we go. Get this guy out of the way. And there's a phone call. I'll be back. I got the breaker bar, and I got the big breaker bar, and of course the big breaker bar is not going to fit, so let me get the small breaker bar. I'm back for the 43rd time. Alright, let's see how. Let me just think now. Because we've played this game before, right? To loosen. Yes, this way. No. Think east. Other way. This way. Gotta think now. Yeah. Yep, this way to loosen. This way to loosen. I wonder if I could get in there with an extension with the impact. I think I'm gonna have to try that, because that is not gonna come off. Hi, it's me. I'm back for the 49th time. Is this going to work? A short answer is no. This is turning into one of those should be 5-minute jobs. It's not going to be a 5-minute job. It's going to turn into a 28-minute job. Is that the best way to do this? No clue. No clue, but it should work. Sure. Yep, sure. Sure. Why can't it ever just be easy? It shouldn't be that tight. I mean, it doesn't make sense. Why would it be that tight? All right, I think that broke him free. I think. What a complete and utter pain. Completely and utterly unnecessary. But you know what? I feel like that is a little bit just how everything is going at the moment. So, I'm gonna stop complaining, right? Just gonna get on with it. Okay, let's get a Torx bit. Now the question is, do I have, haha, yes I do. New OEMs that I picked up at Land Rover today. This guy lined up. You don't need to over tighten that nut. Doesn't do anything. Get this guy back on this way. Get this cover lined up. Okay, that's that one in. And that one in. And I suppose we're going to use the breaker bar to get it back on, because I'm surprised that impact didn't work, if I'm honest. That's... I don't know that this needed to be that tight. But here we are. Can I? Should I? Going to. Just full send. Full send, and then I'll worry about the repercussions later. Okay. And now, let's use all the body weight to tighten these things down. That is tight. And that is not going anywhere. Pads back in. Perfect. Undo my fantastic knot system here. Maybe. We're done. It's there. It's working. It's in. I don't know. I think everything is harder than it needs to be. Anyway, it's done. I'm going to get the wheel back on this side. Swing around to the other side. I'll do a time lapse on that side because there's no point in watching me doing the same thing twice. But that should have fixed the thing. So appreciate you watching. Thanks very much. Like and subscribe. Just like that. All done. Quick and easy. Once you know what you're doing, right? Thanks for watching. Bye.